It's your boy that bar with the hit me, aka B5 Bar, aka Big P with the RT. So today, hold on. Just came up the stairs and all that. So today I got to gonna get some footage of car meet that we going to. It's Friday. Ain't got no job and you ain't got I'm just playing. But nah, we gonna pop out to SIT Life car meet today. It starts at 8 o'clock, I believe. So you know the drill and all that. We gonna get you some good car footage, get some good content for y'all, man. Then we gonna link up with the club. We got some new club members that are coming out with us and all that. So when we get there, you know the drill, man. I'm gonna show y'all some good footage, Till then, gotta get me a shower in and just wash the car. So it's gonna be a good day today. So without further ado, let me show you the look today. Woo! Okay. So, all right, man. Got me a shower. Still hot in my apartment, man. Man, hold on. Ridiculous. That's all the way. You see that? That's all the way down. Man, I need to tell my landlord it's time to put that AC up. Biggie and all that. I mean, it is May. But what was I gonna say? So yeah. So I guess before I leave for the month of June and all that, I'm gonna get my landlord to come put this AC up in here. I gotta clean this apartment, man. It's been bad. Boy, I gotta keep up. But without further ado, man, we finna head to the first meet up all the out west folks. Meet some new prospects and all of that. And so once we get there, I'm gonna give y'all some more footage, all right? Here's HeavyHitterz back out. It's getting close to summertime. It's warm.
This how my shit
It's gonna be a nice warm weekend.
I was trying to get the measurements and shit.
Got a new prospect with us. Kendall, Dion. Hey, guess what, man? We got the track hawk with us today. We got both the SRT 392.
Probably got more people coming anyway.
And we got the track hawk with us. Sorry. HeavyHitterz here, man. We waiting on some more members before we pop out. I need to turn that brightness up. Oh my, you can barely see mine. It's all good. It's still there though. Yeah, y'all know the vibes. This all out south too. We beat out west. They a whole 30 minutes late. We were too, but we still beat out south. I mean, we still beat out west. Nah, man, I can get y'all some more footage, man, once all the members come. Actually, speaking of that, I don't know if y'all gonna see. Man, this camera's slow. We got another member pulling up right there. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see. Old school. Let me see. Oh, okay. Old school pulling up. Probably gonna cut up too. Hey, boy, old school, man. He got the rawest chomps in the club. I don't care what y'all say.
What's happening? What's happening? HeavyHitterz out here. Barry, what's good? We got our CEO in the car with me.
Yo, new in the building, man. What's the word, B? We trying to see, I'm gonna be driving seat soon, man.
Yeah.
We trying to get out here, enjoy a little of the weekend, man. You know, represent a little bit, have a good time, fellowship, camaraderie, all that good stuff. So we out here, man.
They know the vibes.
We out here tonight.
Man.
For sure.
HeavyHitterz out, man.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
Grab this park.
HeavyHitterz over deep tonight, man. Hey, we got another blue scat with us. Mine look good though. Mine look a little darker. Boy, look at this, man. Just over deep tonight. HeavyHitterz over deep tonight. This ain't even everybody.
Not everybody. You still got more cars. More cars.
Yeah. HeavyHitterz deep. It's the boy Theo. This is scat right here. A little dirty, but still, man. Still look good. Still sound good. Told y'all, man, I ain't the only B5 Blue Charlie out here. Boy, HeavyHitterz deep, man. Over deep.
Hey, y'all had some out, bro.
That I know me like my real name was Tony Stark.
I'm sitting in a whole Lambo, G.
PM.
What
the fuck? What's happening?
Yo,
This nigga's outfit didn't get there to 7.
that is crazy.
So you telling me Mr.
I'm sitting in a whole Lambo. I'm sitting in a whole Lambo. Ooh. Hey, I'm sitting in a whole Lambo, G.
You gotta make it feel comfortable.
Dang.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like them seats too.
So.
Hey, Mal, you snap.
All
You
day.
snap with this.
Oh man.
I did a
Man.
send off today.
Ooh.
Bitch,
Oh,
how you gonna do
shit.
what the fuck I'm finna do?
Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Where did they go?
Damn.
Oh, she found it too. It's Solomon. What the fuck? This nigga already in our club. Wow.
Dang. It's raw as hell.
Listen.
Oh, y'all. My door open and
Damn. Hey, shut your bitch ass up.
jump off a bitch.
Hit me if you want to. Your insurance gonna
Yeah.
drop
Pulled
your
over
ass.
my weed
Uh-huh.
right there.
Dang.
We're
Yo,
looking forward to
I just took a whole ride up in a whole Urus, man. Yo. Man, this truck's so raw, man. Ooh. This truck's so raw, man. Hey, hold on. That's a whole Lambo. That is a whole Lambo. Dang.
That's all right.
Oh, let's go. I got kidnapped by a Lambo.
Who?
I got kidnapped by a Lambo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hold on. Come on.
keep digging for it.
Yeah. Boy, it's so cold. Oh, so you gotta press that
Uh-huh.
up there?
Yeah.
Oh man, you put it. Oh man, it's gonna kick me back. It's gonna kick me back. Hold on, why my seatbelt just pulled me?
Yeah, mine do too.
What?
Hold on, I'm waiting for Diana to get
Oh, you gonna launch? You gonna launch this mother? Oh man. Ooh. 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 Dang.
this time I gotta get him some space
Damn.
so I can act up.
Oh shit.
Ooh, that smells some good weed.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Damn. Damn. Shit. Damn. This truck raw as hell. I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Truck raw
I'm like,
as
damn, I missed all the parts trying to fuck around and do that shit.
Man. Ooh. Yeah, what mode is that? Corsa? Is that like the red key? So, damn! Ooh. Man, that is kicking me back in my seat. You just sitting up. I'm over here. Oh man. Hey. Woo. Man. Woo.
We made it back.
Yeah. So we got the Stinger Syndicate with us, pulled up with the Lambo. Stinger Syndicate hanging out with us, chilling with heavy hitters. Hey, y'all got a Stinger, man. Make sure y'all go join them, man. They look for all kids Stingers. We got the boys, yours truly. Got my boy, the founder, back. We got our graphic designer in there. Low key got a little bit of numbers tonight too. We're in the trenches with it. going on, YouTube? It's your boy, that bar with the Hemi, aka B5 Bar, aka Big P with the RT and all of that. So, last night, man. Last night was a whole movie, man. Unfortunately, I did not get enough footage, at least from my phone. And I do have a dash, and like I said, I do have a dash cam and all of that, but it don't have any video. I mean, it don't have any audio whatsoever. So I'm gonna try to get some more video with the dash cam footage and all of that. See how heavy hitters ride and all of that. But I hope you enjoyed the content that I did share with y'all. We got another meet going on tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm gonna definitely get a lot of footage. And all that tomorrow. It's supposed to be 800. It's supposed to be 800 people that are gonna be going to this car meeting. It's gonna be up north. It's gonna be pretty far up north and all that. But you know, man, I got a high mileage moped. I don't mind the drive and all of that. I got gas and what else? And I love I love cruising up in here, man. Mopeds are cool cars to cruise in. But until the end and all of that, until the next video, I'm logging out. Man, this is your boy, that bar with the Hemi, aka B5 Bar, aka Big P with the RT. I might just keep the name, just that bar with the Hemi and all of that. But follow my IG. You can follow my IG at B5_BARI Bari for more content outside of YouTube and all of that. Or you can follow my main page, that bar with the Hemi, which is more my personal page. And make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to this content, man. Till then, I'm logging off. Hope y'all have a great night.